Hello, my people. What's up? What's up? This is your boy Burundian Explorer, the one who explores the world and show you at the same time what he sees. Yeah, as you see, today, I may say that today's video is so special. Today's video is so amazing. Just I have taken a big trip, just a long trip, just to reach this interesting place, this interesting area. Yes, I'm going to show you various things that I have found here. Though I didn't find any guide, any people, any person who keeps walking here. Simply, I found myself alone in this area, and we have arranged everything on my own. Though it is the first time I get here, but I was really shocked after I found no one here. But there is no any other choice rather than to explore this place as my habit, as I know me, man of exploring the nature, the cities, people's lifestyle, and so on. As you see, today I'm going to show you everything that I have seen here. As I see, this is a seat of visitors. This is a seat of for visitors on which I'm sitting right now. This is the placard on which is written the length of these waterfalls. It measures up out of 46 meters from the top up to the bottom. 46 meters. Yeah, it is so long. So long. Yeah. Let me stand up. As you see, here, this is a house. This is a built house in which visitors might prevent themselves from the rain once it comes, or may get undressed just they put off their clothes so that they can take a bath over there at that waterfalls. But on this point, just at this point of taking bath, please today, it is too cold. It is too cold. Even my pullover is over there in my bed, over there at the bike. My pullover. Yeah, for a while I'm going to put on my pullover just to prevent myself from this cold. As you see, this waterfall is surrounded by trees. As you see, here down there are stones, big rocks. As you see, yeah, rocks. As you see here, and at that side over there is a water post. There is a WC house, a water post. 12 visitors. Yeah, you see. Please, this place is so interesting. Yeah. In my plan, I was supposed to take a bath, but I have been ill for 2 weeks and I have not yet got recovered yet. It means that till now I'm still feeling some headache. Yeah, so sorry I can't take the bath. Yeah, another cause I am alone, no one to hold this camera just to take photos or videos. No, nobody. I am alone. Simply, I am so happy to show my people this interesting place. Wow! Look, waterfalls from the top up to the bottom. From the top over there up to the bottom. Yeah, and this is the falling water. From these waterfalls. It's so interesting, my people. I'm so happy, so glad to experience this exploring time, this interesting place. So please stay tuned to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, please, don't be selfish. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Burundian Explorer, the one, who explores the world and show you at the same time what he sees. Please, I love you so much. Remain blessed, my people. This was your boy who never disappoints you, Burundian Explorer. Yes, this is my bike, my my bike, the one that I use in my trade. And mentioned, I love so much my people. Thank you very much for watching my video.